Have you ever wondered why the water in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans seems to stay separate and doesn't mix together? It's a common question, and the answer has to do with the differences in the densities of the water in each ocean. The Atlantic Ocean has a higher salt content, which makes its water denser, while the Pacific Ocean has a lower salt content and therefore less dense water. These differences in density create a barrier between the two oceans, preventing them from mixing. This barrier is known as the thermohaline circulation, and it plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate.